Olá! Welcome to the Portuguese Lab podcast. Today, we're looking at when to use the definite article before a person's name. I'll give you the different circumstances with a few examples, and after that, you'll listen to a dialogue where you can see it in action. The translation of the examples is available on the video. If you're a member of the Portuguese Lab Academy, be sure to practice with the available exercises in this lesson. So let's get started. In general, you use the article before someone's name. That's the general rule. The masculine definite article for masculine names, o, for example, o João, and the feminine definite article for feminine names, a, for example, a Ana. Here are two examples. O João é alto. João is tall. A Ana é simpática. Ana is nice. But you don't need the article before the name in a few situations. Situation number 1. When you're talking about someone famous or important in a formal manner. Newspaper, television, literature. For example, Camões morreu em 1580. Camões died in 1580. Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa fez comunicado. Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa made a statement. Situation number 2. When you're talking directly to the person and you're using their name to draw their attention. Pedro, olha aqui. Pedro, look here. Boa tarde, Carla. Good afternoon, Carla. Senhor Silva, já viu isto? Mr. Silva, have you seen this? Here you're not talking about them, you're talking directly to them. Situation number 3. When you're saying your name using the verb chamar-se. For example, eu chamo-me Susana. I'm called Susana. So, be careful when you're writing emails or messages to not include the article in your introduction. Bom dia, cara Carla. Bom dia, Senhora Lopes. Let's see some more examples in a short dialogue. Bom dia, Joaquim. Tudo bem?
Sim, e contigo, Filipa?
Também. Olha, Joaquim, sabes o que é que o António disse?
O António? O que é que ele disse?
Disse que se ia casar com a Fernanda. Acreditas?
Com a Fernanda? A sério? Mas olha, Filipa, eu sempre pensei que ela não gostava dele. Já falaste com a Fernanda?
Ainda não. E o António também não.
Como assim, Filipa?
Então, parece que ele já marcou a data do casamento antes de a pedir em casamento. Portanto, ela ainda não sabe da novidade.
O António é mesmo idiota.
Do you need some structure and guidance in your learning process? Head on over to the Portuguese Lab Academy and learn with the step-by-step online courses, from grammar to vocabulary, verb conjugations, pronunciation, and dialogues. The Academy offers you the flexibility and support you need to learn European Portuguese. Become a member at PortugueseLabAcademy.com.